So the boat ramp is located at Loma, which is right off I-70. And so that is your only road access to the river except for Westwater. And that's a 25-mile stretch. So yeah, when you're pulling into the ramp, get your boat in the water, get all your gear unloaded. As soon as you have your gear unloaded and your boat ready, it's important to get your car out of there and back up to top to the parking lot. It can be really, really busy, and especially on the holiday weekends, it can be crammed. You don't want to set up at 8:30 in the morning if you're not planning on launching till 4:30 in the afternoon, because you're just taking up space that could be used by other folks. If you're waiting around for your shuttle, which usually takes about an hour and a half round trip, sometimes more, sometimes less, make sure you're picking up your trash. There's a lot of kids and other folks down there that are barefoot, and so you don't want any bottle tops or stuff of that nature. So it's important to be aware of others around you and have your dogs on a leash. Make sure you have a good eye on your dogs. And that's when I have a pretty good idea how good of a dog owner you are when you're downriver, and if you're going to watch it while it's at the campsite and not running through other people's campsites. When I get to the launch, number one, I'm checking for permits. I'm checking for proper gear such as fire pan, groover, and all that good stuff. And then I'm just making sure that people are being courteous to others. Especially during high water, we have limited space at the ramp, and so that's when it's extra important. And once you have your boats ready and rigged, if you can stack them out, that way again you're taking up less space. So it's just important, and it's important to communicate. When I get down to the ramp, like I said, the first thing I'm looking for is a permit. Here lately, I've had a lot of people bring in their smartphones with their permit on that, the confirmation email, and that's no good. And for two reasons. Number one, it's a binding document and I need a signature. Number two, if your phone dies or go in the river, then we have no proof. So start your float off right with good ramp etiquette.